This video will guide you through replacing the retractable ropes on your merrithew Health and Fitness reformer. Please consult your owner's manual for more detailed instructions, information, and parts identification. We advise you to review the equipment and maintenance schedule in your owner's manual for a daily, weekly, and monthly checklist that will keep your equipment in tip-top shape. If you discover any missing parts or need further assistance along the way, call 416-482-4050, extension 264, or email us at customercare@merrithew.com. Before we begin, remove all parts from their package and place them in a cleared area in front of you. We recommend that you have someone with you to assist with removing and replacing the carriage. To complete the installation, you will need... Okay, let's begin. If you have a vertical frame, you'll need to remove it. To do this, remove all springs from the vertical frame, including the roll-down bar and safety chain, and loosen the hex bolts at the base of the vertical frame. Now, using two people, secure the push-through bar by hand and lift the vertical frame out of the receptacles. If the vertical frame has seized into the receptacles, use a rubber mallet and tap the underside of the outer elbows to release it. Place the frame out of the way until it is time to reinstall it. Next, remove the carriage. Start by first detaching the soft reformer loops and pulling the ropes out of the pulleys. Then detach the springs from the gear bar. Loosen the star knobs and remove both pulley bars from their receptacles. If your reformer has removable shoulder rests, you should take them out as well. If you have an SPX Max V2 Max or Rehab V2 Max model reformer, you'll need to remove the stopper plates at the end of the rails with a screwdriver. Carefully slide the carriage out of the aluminum rails, keeping it level until it's completely free of the rails. Turn the carriage on one side, ensuring the floating rollers are on the top side and do not fall out. Turn the carriage completely upside down and place it on the ground or on a raised surface. Use a blanket or other soft covering to protect the vinyl of the carriage. Remove the swivel clip from the end of the rope, then unhook the rope from the retaining hook in the cleat. Remove the cotter pin and the washer from the rope housing reel, placing these off to the side. Then remove the rope housing reel from the square shaft and pull the rope back through the eye hook. Then completely uncoil the rope. Undo the screw and separate it from the rope. Make sure you keep the screw and cup washer, but discard the old rope and swivel clip. Place the screw and cup washer directly in the center of the new rope, half an inch from the end, and carefully thread completely through the rope. The screw must be placed exactly in the center of the rope to create a secure and safe interlock with the rope housing reel. With the white plastic center of the reel facing you and the rope coming into the reel from the headrest side, place the screw in the pre-drilled holes located on the plastic hub and tighten, affixing the rope securely. Ensure you screw it in completely without over-tightening. Then wind the rope around the rope housing reel so it lays flat against the hub. Recoil the full length of the rope, then pinch the loop end of the rope and feed it through the eye hook. Secure the end of the rope in the cleat and rope retaining hook, and attach the new swivel clip. Next, place the reel back on the square shaft, replacing the plastic washer and securing the cotter pin so the middle curve fits over the square shaft. Repeat this process for the other side to complete the assembly. With one person at each end of the carriage, carefully turn the carriage on its side, ensuring that the floating rollers don't fall out. Carefully guide the front rollers into the C channels of the rails and slide the carriage forward. Make sure to move slowly as the rollers are delicate. Support the carriage completely and ensure the back rollers fall into place in the C channels. Once the rollers are completely protected in the rails, guide the carriage into place against the carriage stopper and engage springs into the gear bar. Feed the loop end of the ropes through the bottom of the pulleys and attach the soft reformer loops. Finally, set the ropes to your desired length. For general use, measure the correct rope length by placing the reformer loops onto the carriage so the fixed D-rings on the straps line up with the end of the metal plates of the shoulder rests. Now reset the rope fully into the rope retaining hook and press the rope between the cleats. To shorten the length, slightly pinch the rope between the carriage and the self-locking cleats and pull. Always tug gently on the ropes to ensure the cleats are fully engaged. That's it. Your new ropes are ready to use. Please be sure to review your owner's manual for use and safety instructions. For further information or assembly support, please contact our customer service team or visit our customer care area at merrithew.com.